In this video, we'll talk about some of the improvements which were made in Java 10 for garbage collection. Java 10 offered two major improvements in the garbage collection domain. First one was parallel full GC for garbage first collection algorithm, improving its worst case latency. G1 or the garbage first collection algorithm was designed to avoid full collection by dividing memory into the survivor, add-in, and old memory regions. And G1 also performs intermediate GC to free up the heap. But for bigger machines and with bigger amount of RAM, when the pace of object allocation is high and memory cannot be reclaimed fast enough, full GC occurs. Until JDK9, full GC for G1 was executed using a single thread. Java 10 supports the parallel full GC for G1. The second improvement was improving source code isolation of multiple GCs for the GC code in hotspot by introducing a clean GC interface.